In this video you will learn how to navigate through the wizard settings. When you log in for the very first time, or the first time as a new user, the Trios application will give you a setup wizard on the screen. The wizard will guide you through the following settings: language, user details, and 3Shape Communicate login. If you click Exit on the wizard, you will skip this guide, and then the default settings will be used. Selecting the Later button will give you the chance to customize your system next time you log in. The recommended option is to press Next and begin to customize the settings of your profile. Here you select your country, as well as choose your preferred language from the Languages drop-down list. By selecting a language, all buttons will be displayed in the preferred language. Having the selection done, press Next and confirm selection. Now you'll be taken to the user details, where you have the opportunity to create a new or modify an existing operator, and also set the preferred shade system and the starting page. The next page will let you integrate your 3Shape Communicate account. If the account has already been created, or to create a new account by redirecting you to the 3Shape Communicate webpage. When the required settings have been set, click on the Finish button to save it. Integration with the 3Shape Communicate account will be checked. Then you'll be moved to your preferred starting page. Thank you for watching.